You want that?
Father bought a van.
What's that?
Run! This is not fun. Good morning, guys. Happy Saturday, or well, it's probably Sunday when you guys are seeing this, but today is a very busy day. We have a lot of things we want to do today. As you guys know, I want to do more this summer, so I'm pushing myself out to go do things I want to do, but I'm too lazy to do usually. So today, me and my dog are going to go to the farmer's market. I've never been to a farmer's market, so we're walking there. See if we get some fruit, maybe some vegetables, maybe a little breakfast. We'll see what all they have. So let's go, and then the rest of the day, we have a few things planned, but nothing crazy. So let me take you through my day. Let's go. I think May is very excited. She doesn't know we're going to the farmer's market. I think she just thinks we're going for a walk. So, but she loves it. So I'm not too sure how she's going to react to the people. She's very shy. So when people come up, she's just kind of like, so we'll see how she acts. But I'm seeing the farmer's market. It looks pretty big. I was expecting maybe just a few little booths. It's nice. Okay, well, that farmer's market was a dud. There was maybe like 5, 6 booths, and they weren't really anything. It's like, what is this? Little knickknacks, little many trinkets. They did have like a booth of plants and stuff, but I was like, I was gonna go and get like fresh strawberries, like blueberries. So I couldn't really record because they were all so close and there were so many of them. And I'm like people, I'm like, okay, we're just gonna walk quickly through. So yeah, it's turned into a dud. That sucks. But I guess we'll finish our walk, maybe walk through town square. Maybe we'll enjoy that. There is a shop that has like homemade dog bones and dog treats, so we can go see if they're open. At least get something today. May. Oh, you want that? You and Joe to get one? You didn't like being in there? Huh? Yes, I know. It's so scary. Come on. You sit. You sit. Raining, May. Let's go. We gotta get back. Fantastic. Hurry up, May. Let's go. Run. Run, May. Except I'm not wearing a bra, so. All right, May. We're gonna do some running. Come on. Come on. Let's go running. Run! This is not fun. Not fun at all. This day turned terrible. I am so wet and it looks like more is coming. So let's get in before it does. That was not in my plans today. I was going to have like a fun Saturday. Not get rained on. Huh, May? We made it. I got rained on.
Huh?
I got rained on.
Still raining?
No. You are so wet. Sit. Here is your... Hello. Come here. Sit. Sit. What's that? Now take it. I'm not bothered. You eat that? Where you gonna go with it? You wanna eat it in my room? Come here. Come on. Alright, dogs have got their bones, or their beef trachea is what it is. So now, your girl needs a shower, even though I basically took one outside, but we need one with soap and to wash my hair. Oh, nice warm shower is what I need. Father bought a van. Why? I don't know. To help him get into the car easier. Whatever. We are now gonna go to a dealership, I don't know where, an hour away, to get the timing belt on that van fixed. Not really what I wanted to do on my Saturday, but got drinks. Tea for you. You're welcome. They got a soda machine. Get out of my way. Am I driving?
Yeah, man.
Let's get in before the thunder comes.
Huh?
I said, let's get in before the thunder comes. Holy hell. It's really coming down. Oh my God, it's coming in the house. All right, we're back home. As you guys can see, my dad bought a van because he saw it and it was a good deal and he's able to get in and out of easier. I don't really think he needs one, but whatever, because he has 2 cars. So now we're going to sell those 2. He has the van and I have my 2 cars, but I think I'm going to try to get rid of one of them. We'll see. So today was kind of a mess, honestly. We took the van, crazy place. So my dad actually used to work there at that Honda. So he knew a few people and they're giving him a good deal on his timing belt that needs replaced on that van. So that's probably why he got a good deal. But whatever. I don't care. I don't care about the cars. I don't care. But then Ren had issues because Ren had plans today but didn't really tell us. I thought Ren's plans were later today, and Ren was pissed because we were driving 45 minutes to take Dad's car and they were fighting. And I'm like, can you guys stop? This is supposed to be a fun Saturday for me, okay? I'm trying to vlog, have a, mystical, fun Saturday. Go to the farmer's market, go to the gym, healthy, aesthetic. But then I remember that's not my life. Poured rain on me as I was coming back. And it's raining again, but it rained like crazy just a little bit ago. And then some trees fell down. I'll show some pictures that was in my town. They're not near my house, thank God. My trees, they're still standing. Good job, guys. I see you. So lots of rain, but I'm hoping tomorrow will be a little less hectic and crazy. And we just kind of stay home and rest. I am going to start kind of cleaning tomorrow, kind of late spring cleaning, and clean the house. And then this week I have off work because I took it off work because the plan was I was going to go see my sister in Texas with my dad. And then he had his heart attack and we're like, oh, well, we won't be going to Texas. So I still have the week off. I'm still getting paid for it. So we're going to get a lot done today, or this week. We're going to try to clean out the garage so we can fit another car in it. Kind of deep clean the house, get it ready for summer. So we'll get things done, y'all. We'll get on top of it. So, but now I'm probably gonna relax the rest of the night. Dad and I ordered some Mexican food. I'm excited for that. I'm gonna finish watching my show, Grey's Anatomy, which I love. Rewatching it probably for the 10th time, but I don't care. So yeah, that's my Saturday. I can never do anything. Anytime I try to do something like, you see these aesthetic girls, and they're dressed so fashionably, and they're like, let's go to the farmer's market, and then let's go to the gym and do our Pilates. Your girl has tried. I try, and it always ends up just being a cluster. So, well, that's me. That's my real life, and I think that's why you guys love my content so much, is because it's not this fake font that I put on the camera. So this is real life, and honestly, it kind of seems exhausting putting a fake font on every day. So, but yes, let's go in and eat some good food and finish tonight better than we started it. Yeah.
The levels being better.
Every 12 hours.
And what's the primary